My God, this gele is called Idumota style. Idumota re. Idumota gele. Gongole lon pe ni gele Idumota. Mommy me. IYABO. I love you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mo shock pé mo ní kí mom sí. Mo ti send owó sáwọn òkú ọ̀run pé kó bá mi ṣe chicken fún mom sí mi. Kó bá mi dín chicken yẹn kó gbẹ dáadáa. Torí à ń ṣe àjọ̀dún lẹ́nà.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti padà sórí ọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy Anjorin bí ó ṣe ti padà dé láti ibi tí yóò lọ ṣe ìkómọ ọmọ rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kí ló tún máa ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí? Ṣé ìjà yìí ṣé ó tún máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni? Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú nínú ọ̀rọ̀ náà.
Una when they talk say we cannot rejoice. Now so they go take una mama take and play kites. They go take una mama do anyhow. They don't go sit down like this. Una go dey happy for one corner say now my mama may they do am anyhow. I won't take my mama play. I won't take my mama play because I know the importance of my mama. You sit down, woman will not do you anything. Me will not do you anything. You dey curse my mama every day. They swear for am. Mama will chop life when she dey alive. Why I take care of? Bring your mama picture now. Show me your mama now. I get my mama video with plenty. My mama picture plenty. Carry your mama picture. Come out. Show us your mama picture. Show us as your mama be. Where you bury your mama. Where you bury your mama. You know how much I take bury my mama? You know where my mama dey sleep right now? My mama will not do you anything. My mama na from IYABO, they from the Fetuga family. Go ask. You can't carry my mama. You dey insult my mama every day. Hey! And I can't talk say, make her no dance. And I hear some people they mention my name, say, when I know very so today na the Benin level because na Benin blood enter me today. You know say I get many sides. I don't tell una. I never reach my papa's side, and my mama's side I still dey. When I talk say na me, set who up? We dey live for the same house. Now you don't say you get money past me. How you can't take the enter market? I want know say you enter market. Now me carry the job where you wear give you. Now me carry the job give you. You take permission from me say you dey go markets. Abi, I know the market where you dey go. I know say you dey sew cloth. Say that you dey enter market buy material where they take sew cloth. I just say you get workers like 2,000, abi 2 billion. You gani no aye now. Where's it called consign me? For inside crayfish we don't bend. You carry yourself. Cover head, go market. You can't dey shout up and down. People can't dey tag me. But anyways, not be me she dey talk to because she no even mention my name. She dey call this lover. She dey call secretary. I be secretary. My mama no name me secretary now. My name na Alice. Alice. Because my mama died, they born me. My mama na Benin woman and her name na Alice. My name na Alice. She call Alice. She call Alice. She call IYABO. Where my papa give me. I bet she call Ojo where my children then give me. So which one can't be my own one are they say yabo. Even I don't like me, they understandable. And I know the first person make a like me. I don't feel like me because, I want gun, I want garatone. I want garatone. I gun, you real long, real feel a bar. Yes. How I can't say consign me. If to say that my enemy enter market, where that kind of thing happen, now so she go do video because I don't even enter market self. They do video like 100 video per week on top my head. So you can't imagine say that kind of thing happen to me. She go laugh now. Me and her no be friends now. We don't carry ourselves go police station. We don't carry ourselves go court. Person they go court, go police station, come become friends. It's not possible now. Man, I know they do like hypocrite. Now they go church. Now go they pray. Say, oh yeah, my enemy. Oh yeah, my enemy. No person they pray. Nah. If something happen to my enemy, I go rejoice. Now she make me her enemy. Yes. Many years ago, where I thought say me she no greet me, where she turn out to say I thought say me she come here and say, she sit down on top national TV for 1 hour on top African Magic. They insult my mama, insult my children. No be today she done the do. That day my mama come, she still there alive. She sit down beside me, she hold my hand. I dey boy because that time she hold my hand like this. She say, Auntie me, ìyá mi, ṣebí mi ló ń bú, filẹ̀, leave her. Ìbọn náà níyà, filẹ̀. The thing pay me. I leave her. I dey look her. I can't do my own jokes. You say because I mimic you. Who you be where person of mimic? Waiting carry you. Every day they make me. People they mimic me every day now. Waiting be the big deal. But now because say God won't add another goddaughter to my goddaughters. I can't hear say don't tell you don't they shade me self. They say you don't they shade me, don't tell. I don't follow you talk anything. I talk, I leave you now. When you do video, sote, I tire now. I say, yeah, we will go court. We still did that one now. We go still go. They take court letter, find you up and down like this, you they wrong. But we go that court. But you people wake on they tell me say, this is my gold bag. Oh my God, chill. When I talk say, make I leave her. You leave me. Not be person when leave you go leave. Now person will leave you. Now you go leave now. Person will sit down. Every day go a shop. Which name will she no give me? That you do matter where you go. Not be you give, not be you they talk that name for social media where all of them begin repeat that same name. I be not be you they form all the name. Now you carry the name put for their mouths now. Now you carry the name put down for their mouths. Now you they call out the name can't this or that one. Now you Now you train them. Now the training where you give them, now they show you samples. So I did my own day for my shop. I did renew my lounge. I did spend money for this kind of hard time. Every person they spend money. No easy. I did renew my lounge for my darling customers. I did there. I did do meeting upon meetings, brand meetings. They came. I don't want to speak English. I speak broken because I did my mama. Right now I did Benin for Benin City. My Benin people like greet now. I did my own JJ. They enjoy my life. Now I see say social media don't scatter. Carry gold beggar because enjoy my life. I see anything. I hear anything. No. Knock on the verse. I'm gonna come out and talk. But I do anyhow. Make I see anyhow now.